Today we're going to be planting our onion crop. We get onions from Dixondale Farms in Texas. They mail them to us like this. They've harvested them from the fields. They cut them off, shake them off, and put them in crates, and then ship them to us. First thing we have to do is separate them out so that they can be planted one at a time. So you just gently tug on them and separate the roots apart from each other.
Whenever I'm getting ready for loading up the onions on here, we just take handfuls and lay them here so that as the tractor and the planter go down the row, we can just grab a handful real quick and start planting onions out of our hands. We try not to miss a beat while we're going. It's fast work and it's sometimes kind of tough to keep up. And it's pretty cold today, so that's going to make our hands not work quite as well as we'd like.
Okay, so we're gonna drive this down through there, and it'll poke holes, and we'll plant all that we can. We're going to go a little bit faster than what we can keep up. Sometimes they'll end up like this. We'll mess up, and they'll end up upside down. Grab them, flip them over, put them the right way. Okay?
Be sure they're down, because if they're not down, they'll blow out of the hole.
Roots down, sticking good in the hole. They have to be out of the plastic. If they're under the plastic, they won't grow right. Out of the plastic. Got it?
Maya, fix this. It needs to go like this. Look up ahead.
How's that for width?
Well, it's not too bad.
I think it's about right.
You're full to the right, but it's okay. If you could slow down just a little bit more, it would help me.
Slow down?
Yes.
Okay.
Part of this is that it's on a curve. He can't just drive slow, straight. He's got to
Anticipate forward and backwards.
And judge. He needs to be able to judge where his tires are, I think.
Now he's back about where he should be. Some of these are huge, aren't they?
Like that. You only get one onion instead of two. Or fewer even.
Do you need more onions? I took half of this. It's fine.
Go!
It's not worth it.
Go over on the other side. These rows are laid out in a curve, and so it's very hard for him to be able to drive straight, and his vision problems are a challenge to begin with. So sometimes we get off one side or too far into the middle and we have to yell at him, and it's one of the drawbacks of the whole thing. Well, we have to stop so many times, and that every time we stop we use up a bunch more water too, so that's part of it.
This tank was full of water when we started. We've used almost half of it doing one row. That's a bit too much. We don't like to use, because we'll have to fill up too often. So we're going to try to go a little faster and use a little less water.
Are you having fun, Micah?
Oh no, don't let my push.
Well, we finished planting all 4 of the crates that we initially bought. We got 4.5 rows here out of them. We decided we wanted some more, so we went to our supplier and we were able to buy 1 more crate of them. We had to get red onions though. Red onions are generally smaller. The sets are smaller, the end onion is smaller. So we have a lot more number-wise of these. So I would guess we're going to get at least 2.5 rows out of this last crate. So we'll finish this up, and thank you for watching. Hopefully we'll have a harvest in 3 to 4 months. All right, let's go.